PumpFun just launched PumpSwap, and it's the best moment to launch your token directly on PumpSwap in order to make the most out of all snipers, all bots, all people going directly to PumpSwap in order to find a new gem. And it's the moment to make that new gem your fucking token going to 1 million market cap. Let's go directly on how to launch your own token directly on PumpSwap. Okay, so if we go to DeFi Llama and see the volume, PumpSwap volume is still pretty low compared to other big exchanges like Radium, Meteora, Orca, etc. It's still a really good decision to launch on Radium. If you want to learn how to do that, you can see it here. But I think there is a really big opportunity launching directly on PumpSwap. Everyone is launching on pumpfun, everyone is launching on Radium for sure, but you can go directly to PumpSwap and create the LP of your token directly on PumpSwap, so people will directly be buying on PumpSwap instead of the bonding curve or any other exchange. It's really cheap, so that's important, and you will be directly controlling the whole supply of your token. So let's go directly on how to do that. First of all, we need a token, okay? So for doing it, for creating our token, we are gonna use Smithii tools, okay? This is a validated tool suite where we can make almost everything with a token in Solana, even launch directly on pumpfun with a bundler. In this case, we are gonna just create a normal Solana token, okay? For doing that, we will use Solana Token Creator. You will have all link in the description. And in here, we just need to fill in with some information, and we will have our token ready, okay? So we start, PumpSwap will be the name of our token, the symbol will be PSWU, decimals you can keep 6, okay, it's the most used. For meme coins, I would recommend you to use 1 billion supply so far. This is a PumpSwap token, this will be the description, and I'm gonna take this image for the token. Perfect, we upload it here, cool. Now we can also add social links to the token, it will appear on the metadata, so this is cool. We can also add tags to our token, this will also appear on the metadata. We can add anything we want. For now it doesn't make anything on our token, but it's optional, why not? We have some advanced options that could be interesting. We can modify the creator information and put our custom information on the metadata as well. We can generate a custom address, add a prefix or a suffix. For example, if we want to add mem at the end, we just need to fill in here and click on generate address. And now we have a token address with meme as a suffix. Okay, I won't do that. We can also include a multi-wallet supply distribution. This means that we can split the supply of our token within different wallets directly since its creation. Okay, this is cool for bubble maps. And we can also add the tool socials and revoke the authorities. I will stop here on the authorities because this is important. On Solana, we have 3 different authorities, okay? The freeze authority, the update authority, and the myth authority. By default, when you launch on pumpfun, all these authorities are revoked. If you are creating a token, your own token, you need to do it manually. So in here, we just need to click these 2, revoke freeze and revoke min. These are the most important ones to make our token reliable for people. Okay, the revoke update is not that important because it's just for changing the metadata, like the name, the image, etc. So now we just need to click on create token. Now we need to confirm the transaction. Okay, we are paying 0.5 Solana because of all the features we have been using. And we will have the token on our wallet. Success, we can check the transaction and we can see how our token has been created. Now we can go directly to PumpSwap, okay, in here, swap.pump.fun, and we can click on deposit/create, okay. In here we can create a liquidity pool for a token, so we will select, we will connect our wallet for sure, I'm gonna connect my Solver wallet, connect, perfect. And now we can select our token, which is PumpSwap. It doesn't appear, okay, for sure. So we can go back to SolScan, open our account in here, okay, and find the contract address. I'm gonna open the transaction. This is the transaction and this is the token. Perfect. I will copy the contract address and we can go back here and select with our contract address. Perfect. So for creating our LP, we will go directly to PumpSwap, and in here we just need to click on deposit create and create. Okay. The quote token by default is Solana, which is the most recommended. Is the token that will give value to the token we have just created. And then we need to paste the contract address on this other section. Here we have, and if we connect the wallet, it will show how much supply we have of each. Here we have the balance. So I will recommend you to add at least 90% of the supply to the LP. Okay, it will look much more legit and you will have more people buying. So I will just select here this. Okay, here we have 90%, and I will just add 0.1 Solana because this is a test. I would recommend you to add at least 5 to 10 Solana into the LP to make it succeed. Okay, so now we just need to click on create pool. It will open the transaction, we will pay and send the tokens, and we will receive the LP token that we can use later to remove the liquidity. So now we can go directly to Dex Screener and we will find our token. Wait, it takes a few seconds. Here we have, and here we have our token, and people will start buying it. Okay, based on which inputs you have used, you will have more or less snipers. But now your token is here on the screener, is available on PumpSwap, so you have launched your token successfully. From here you can do a lot of things: marketing, promoting your token in social media, Twitter, Telegram, etc. Create a community, but you can also make other things, like for example use a market maker bot, okay, that will help you bring more volume and makers to your token, make another campaign, lock tokens, create a staking. You can make a lot of things, okay. If you want to learn more on how to launch a successful meme coin, you can go to the channel and check some other videos we have on how to launch a successful meme coin in just a few minutes. So now you know everything you needed to launch your own meme coin on PumpSwap. It's time to launch yours and make it succeed. Thanks so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.